So what
Okay.
all we did, you didn't do that evaluation as of now, right?
Okay.
You're working on it. That's
Yeah.
okay. Take your time.
Okay.
That's not a problem. But yeah, we have to talk about the other aspects as well, how we'll understand. So the entire technical part we will do in detail with practical examples.
Yes.
I'll show you. But before that,
Mm-hmm.
you should know few things which are very important.
Okay.
Let me take this to chat. Okay, let it load till the time. So first of all, let's go to program.
Okay.
Or you want to do program by yourself? I'm just looking at the document. That's up to you.
But
How do you want?
what does program means? It's
Good question. Its program is like, let's say we created an item, right?
mm-hmm.
And now I have several items which are aligned to a curriculum.
Okay. So curriculum and program is totally different, right? Curriculum
This
is compulsory. Program is
compulsion.
non.
No, and program is like you created one program. Under one program, there can be several items that you need to create, complete. Like we
Oh.
have created a program for managers, all the newly, not hired, but promoted managers, they need to complete a program. And in that program, you will have several items. You have to complete those items. You can say the curriculum, the list of the curriculum. Okay, that is one. So let's go and see that. We'll see. Whenever you feel comfortable and you see, okay, I want to do it separately, you can do it. But two things before we come to the connector, we have to complete the configuration and the program part. So let's go to the program.
Okay.
See, program
Okay.
combines learning activities to create a schedule of learning.
Schedule. Okay. Oh, new hire onboarding. Okay. Okay. Go.
Alright. So the schedule of learning is controlled by program agenda, which functions like an academic syllabus that you have to complete it. It online outlines activities over the duration of the program. For example, you can create a month-long employee onboarding program. So what does that mean? When I hire somebody, you must have also seen it. I assigned a program to them. Now this program will have different items. Now
Mm-hmm.
it says in the first week of your joining, you have to complete this training,
Okay.
right? And once that is completed, then it says, okay, in next 2 months, you have to complete this training. In next 3 months, you have to complete this training.
Got it.
So there is a program that is attached to you based on the timing. That's what it says. Create a month-long employee onboarding. The learning activities can be internal learning item. See the items, or they can be external content such as welcome
Okay.
video hosted and open content network. This is we will talk about in detail.
Okay.
Very important. Courses may also be added to program. A program may include text description of activities and all. Syllabus style of program, agenda, support, academic training,
Mm-hmm.
event-based training, like new hire and self-based training. This is one. And let me show you the curricula one. Now, when we talk about curricula, yeah. So what
Mm-hmm.
is that? If I go to where is my
Rika? Yeah.
now, if you see any curricula, what happens? It is just combination of different items. Means I created 10 items and I don't want to assign you one by one. Any item one by one will be 10 items, right?
Yeah. Correct.
So what I did, I will club all of them so that if I have to assign this to managers, I don't want to see, and let's say we have 100 of items created. And
Mm-hmm.
out of that, I have to assign 7 to managers. So now I have to check one by one, correct?
Yep.
That where are those items? It's better I can club all the items which are relevant to managers at one place. I can say
Yep.
managers curricula, right?
I
And
see.
when I
Yep.
attach all the items in one of them, I can only assign this curricula to one person. Automatically, all those 7 items will be attached to you,
Correct.
will be
Okay. Got
assigned
it.
to you.
Ah. Okay.
Getting me what I'm trying to say,
Yes.
right? So that's how you can create a curricula, and under that you can assign those all the details.
So the assignment profile, again, we have to create like who will be under this group. So example, assignment, create one group for all the people who need to do this, correct? Am I correct?
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
thank you.
Perfect. Are we clear so far? Any confusion?
No. So when you say, can you click assignment profile? So I will actually click the assignment profile. I can go there and add them in, is it, to this this particular curriculum under
Yeah.
assignment profile? Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you have assignment, if you already created an
So
assignment
you just
profile.
add them into directly, example, this person. Okay, so I just add the group into it. Okay, got it. Okay.
Click on search, or if you want, if you know already the keyword, you can. Otherwise, you can just
Okay.
pick any one of them.
So can I ask for the assignment profile when you create the names? If the names we have to manually add them in, right? That's why. If I wow, so if I 700, I need to add 700 manually. Wow.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Is there a
Of course,
simple
because
way?
yes, yes. So I am saying that when you create it initially, that's the problem. Correct?
Ah,
So you do it generally through this system. You create one, you just copy it and paste. That's it.
yep, agreed.
So this is the case with everything. You create
Okay.
it and then you assign it with items or maybe curricula. Then you assign the item to the curricula and stuff like that. Yeah.
Mhm.
Are we clear so far with everything?
Yes, correct. So yeah, I understand now. So
Now,
program is all same thing.
why?
Okay.
Yes, the program is like an ongoing process wherein based on your schedule it will appear. Whatever you have
Okay.
scheduled. So for a 3 month period, I assign you a program that okay, in initial first week you will be asked to complete a training. After 2 weeks, you have to complete a particular training. Things
Got it.
like that.
Okay.
How do we create a program and why we what all information do we need? So it's better you click on search
Okay.
and you see any one of those programs. So the program says
Oh.
this is my program. Okay. It says leverage this program to build your skills in time management. Now, I am saying in order to learn about time management, you can go through this particular program.
Mm-hmm.
This will help you both as an individual contributor as well as the managing your team. Yeah.
Cool.
All
Okay.
this. So first of all, you have what? The agenda is what? First, you will learn about the foundation knowledge. So let's say I said the first week will be your foundation knowledge. You will work on the foundation knowledge only. Second is build your skill set. And third
Okay.
is application and reinforcement. This is what you have. Okay. I will click on assign and I will search for any employees that I want to assign this uh, program to directly. Okay.
Oh, okay. So I must find the
Let's
names. Okay.
perfect. We have to do it. If you want to, you can click on all of them
Wow. Okay. Mm-hmm.
and you can add.
Also add 1,000 over people. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got it. So where? Oh, so this is how you. So how do you add publishing categories and what is number 2 and number 3?
Coming to that over. Let me show you the grading option.
Okay.
When you have completed a program, how would you be able to understand the grading option? How do I want to grade this? Do I want to grade it based on the numeric values or value based or inherit from the item type? Whatever I defined in the item, do you remember when we were doing it? We said,
Yes.
okay, grading will like. So I will do that and I will apply the changes and system will automatically pick all those grading status from the item
Oh,
itself.
okay. But if the item doesn't have any rating, so you cannot, right?
You cannot, yeah, based on the item. So anyhow, whenever you create any item, you do give that grading if you want to use it as this one.
Yeah, because I'm looking at it now, say grade user can grade no. I saw the part say no.
Uh, Okay. Next is delete. You can copy, but this is also very important. Then send an email
Mm-hmm.
where you were stuck a bit, like, or you were asking few things that how would I do that? So for that program, how do you I
Oh,
want to give this a note, send this notification? So do I want to send a notification when the program is completed, or I want to send it when the program is incomplete, like incompleted and you saved it. Let's say
mm,
there is a 1 week program, you said, okay, I completed 2 days and you saved it.
okay.
System will send you a notification that this is
Income.
incomplete, or you can keep it both.
Okay.
So in that way, whenever either you have completed or not completed, a notification will be sent to you.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
So this is the basic of your program. Of course, we can create and assign it to the different items. Let me show you again. So I can click on add new. Okay, I said look at the English, the language will be this. Program ID, let's say for example,
Mm-hmm.
Chinese test. Enter this. So I said
Title.
let's say first week program for new hires. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, and you write okay test. Then will that be assigned to a domain? So by default, you will always get the public domain.
Okay.
You can change it if you want. So I created how I will assign this domain assignment type. I will assign any assignment type you have I want. Like let's say if I go to assignment type, I check that. So can you see 5 days a week?
Mm-hmm.
This
Yep.
is a program.
Okay.
So in a week, 5 days you will be assigned to these things which we have created, or mandatory trainings. Can you see
Yep.
all the
Yep. Must
mandatory
do it.
trainings are
Yep.
there?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So you check any one of them. I said mandatory. This is a mandatory assignment. You have to complete it.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Schedule fixed start and end date. If I say okay, I will schedule a fixed start and end date. System will ask when should it start and by when it should be
Mm-hmm.
ended. Yeah, so you define the time and everything. So first of all, you define the time zone. Then you pick, okay, it will be starting from 18th of July and it will end on, let's say, 28th of July, 29th of July. Okay, you give it
Mm-hmm.
any 08, 0 a.m. and time will be done. Then duration based, fixed duration, but learner can start at different time. I
Oh, so
said
which means I put
every
two
day.
months. Then
Yeah,
if
yeah, yeah. So I can
oh,
say 2 months, or you can say, okay, what is the duration time?
oh,
I said, in how many days do you want to create,
okay.
finish
Oh,
it, or weeks? You will define it from here. So let's say I said 4. So is it a days or weeks? So I said, or in 4 weeks. Now this is limit. In within 4 weeks, you have to complete this program. Getting me? But
yes.
as it says, that learner can start it at any time. Like you assigned it to
Yeah.
me today, but that's not necessary that I started today only.
Okay.
I can start
Oh,
maybe on 28th, but I have to complete within 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Okay.
I can't get
S-
4 weeks because
Yeah, but
29.
it's dangerous, right? What happened if the employee decided not to do it at all? It will forever be there.
No, no, that's why I said that it will end on 29, right?
Mhm.
This is within 4 weeks. Open-ended, no fixed duration. So there are some programs that we say, okay, you can
It's
complete
open.
within a year. Yeah, so
Okay.
anytime you can complete. So this is open-ended. active, and completion status. When you complete, what will it say? Will you get the credit? Okay, for credit, what will it say? Any one of them you will see. So
Okay.
I said PGM CPM complete.
Okay.
We have complete. Progress restriction. By completion, user must complete previous section before starting new section. Now,
Oh.
if you don't click on it, what will happen? I may start the first section and I said, okay, I have to anyhow complete this program. So let's jump onto the assessment directly. Because they this
Understand.
right? So they will not go through everything. So we can put any restriction. The restriction is no, you can't skip anything. You have to
Complete.
go
Oh,
by
okay.
section by section. Yeah,
Got it.
the
Okay.
agenda that we set up. Now you click on create program. Getting me? This is what
Yes.
I have done. We got everything like
Oh,
this. Now you can go to see open-ended, active, default, public, all these details are there. And now
okay.
I will set up the agenda.
Mm,
Now how it would look like the first agenda. I said, what will be the name of this? Let's say introduction. What will be the activity? Let's say online. So what will be the online data? I would pick anything, any one of them.
Mm-hmm.
See, it is added. Yeah.
Oh,
Then external courses, if I want to, I can add any external course that I want to be in this program. Getting it?
yes.
I give it 2 days. This is the first one. And then I want to add any other things like instructor led also.
Oh,
Any program or training I can add here. Done. So I
okay.
click on save, or if I want to add another section, I will click on add. So
Oh,
now under details, I want to add anything external course. I can again go and add an external code that I have. Just like that, you can keep on adding as many as you want, and then you click
mm,
on save.
okay. Oh, interesting. Got it. Oh,
Right? So what does that mean? I created an item. This program, and in this program, just give me a second. My milkman is here. Yeah. So when you create this program, what will happen? You will be able to set the agenda for each section. That when do you want to complete what? So I said first of all, we have what? Introduction. You complete the introduction part.
yeah.
Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So you complete the introductory part first, and that's what we said. You cannot skip any section. When I created this section program, that you have to go through all the sections one by one, correct?
Correct.
And then we have the next one, that is detailed part. Sorry. So this is what your company will tell you, that what is actually needed here, and then you
Okay.
will just redo it.
Okay.
You create the section. So I saved it. Let's go back to our
Done. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's showing introduction and details.
correct. So
Yeah.
first I will be able to only first I have to complete introduction, then only I'll be able to complete the detail.
Mm-hmm.
Now under this, I want to assign any assignment profile, anything that is assigned to me. I
Okay.
can description. Like, oh, maybe we have to create some assignment profile. Okay. It's just that you assign a assignment profile. If you want to make any custom fields, you can click on it and you can say total number of hours. So let's say 8.
Hmm.
I said
I thought
custom.
it should be 8, right? Why?
No,
Total
no,
hours.
so I just
Oh,
say, no, this is not number total. This is custom field. Any custom field that you want.
custom field.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Understand.
You add it. Then publishing. Do you want to publish it in somewhere? So in the library or somewhere,
Oh,
if you
okay.
want, you can add any library from here.
We add
There are
category.
no that we have added. Mm, yeah, we have to add some library here. Don't worry, I'll show you how to add library. And then you have to define a competency as well. If I click on add, search for any competencies. Okay.
I think the libraries are the same, right? Library will be the same as the what we saw, all the public domain. I think it's all created.
Library is what? Library is just like the physical library you visit.
Yeah,
There, what happens? You have different sections of books.
correct.
Library, you go, there is section, a science section, art section. You go and pull any particular book and you start reading, right? Library in this scenario is also just understand, just saying what a library I have created for all the SAP managers. In that library, you will find everything which is related to SAP managers.
Mm-hmm.
There is another library which only caters everybody who is from Oracle. So
Oh,
that
okay.
if you are assigned with that library, everything that is related to that Oracle will be assigned to you, and you will be able to go and read it. That's all it means. So there is a hub of book or items, or you can say courses which are under that library. Whichever library is assigned to you, you can go and access it. As simple as that. It's just
Mm,
like your physical library. So
okay.
whichever part of your library is accessible by you, you'll be able to go and read those books, right?
Okay.
Just like that. So I said, let me assign an library to you. Can you see? Test library, this one, termination of 22. Yeah, all these libraries are there. You pick any one of them, and all the courses which are assigned to this library will be automatically assigned to you or will be available to you. Just like the categories. Yeah, any one of them you pick.
Okay.
You are able to understand, right? Program
Yes. Yep.
by one. So I said, okay, done. Assigned it. Custom field we have already created. Sorry. We have created it. Yeah. And this is
Yep.
how you create a program.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yep.
Program is nothing but your scheduled wise training that you have to go through. It
Okay.
can be mandatory, it cannot be a mandatory as well. Got it?
Yes.
Now, this is the simple part. Then you will go to the external link you can create it. This is very simple. You already have done it, I think, right? All of them.
External link, the last time you showed me is to just click and just put just a copy one link and attach it here. That was what.
Okay, let me show you one of the
Yeah.
examples.
That was what
Like,
was yeah, you showed me is to just create a link.
yeah. So one of example is like I want to give you a training on SAP, but there are some external links that I can
Correct.
use in order to train you. Like if
Yep.
let's say Linda or maybe Udemy, there are some articles or something
To
that
read,
I
yeah.
want to utilize.
Correct.
So I said, okay, there is one that is lesson on people and time management from Zoom. Sun Tzu, right? Sun Tzu.
Correct.
I click on it and we see what does see? Can you see from the Forbes it is taken. An article from Forbes. Can you see?
Yeah, correct. Just copy and paste the link.
Yes.
Yep.
I copy and paste the link, give it the title, description, email, and I save it. Why
Yep.
this external link? When I give you a training in the item, you could see the external link where they were asking if you want to attach any external link in item. Means when I'm training you, there are some things that I might need from outside to make you understand. Any example, any article that you should go through.
Correct.
Like when we do
Okay.
case studies are never from your company. It's from other company. Any story that they went through or something like that. So this is just your external link. Whenever you create anything, you just assign that external link there.
So what does recommend? Does it show up somewhere?
Sorry, which one?
If the recommend button there, we can
Recommend.
send. Yeah, we can
Yes.
send reminder. What does recommend?
Yes. So if you click recommend means this is very important for this part where you can search for
external link. Oh, okay. Cool.
I said the wizard is to recommend external link and notify user via email. I said you completed SAP training, LMS training. The moment you complete it, and after that, as a in the survey itself or the notification, I say, okay, you have completed it, but you can also go through this article, which is very relevant to it. Like if we do work on marketing, so
Yes.
Philip Kotler books are very popular, right? So there might be some articles or case studies that I would say when you complete it, it is recommended to go and learn this case study. Look at the case study. So if I want to recommend this article to somebody, I can add that employee here.
Okay. So so it may not be. It's just a separate separate one that we can recommend others read.
Search it, and I said few of the employees. I will pick my employees from the yeah,
Yep.
and I have already selected it. I will click on next. And I will schedule a job. When should it go? The user does not have an email ID. Of course, this is a demo server,
Yep.
but you
Demo.
can
Yeah.
keep your you will click on
Yes.
yes.
You will send them, right? Okay, got it.
Right. Now you set up the schedule. When should it go? Run this immediately, right now. Yeah, if I finish it, automatically it will be sent right now. But I said no,
Okay.
not today. On this particular date, on this particular time.
Okay. Got it.
Everything will complete. Contact email address, and you finish.
Okay.
It will be sent. We have to fill in all the information.
Yeah, because no email address. Oh.
Are we clear with program and external links?
Yes.
Next is your library here. As I said, library is nothing but just like your physical library. Whatever part of the library you have access to, you can go and read about it.
Yep, no problem.
So for that, we create different libraries. If I show you any one of them, let's say I say what is this? Train mentors or something. Okay, under this library, see, I have attached a lot of things. So I have few items as well.
Okay.
So these items will by default have this library access. And if I show you one more thing, very interesting.
Not there. Oh, library is not here. I think.
Sorry?
We are looking for library?
Yeah.
No, don't think library is here.
No,
I think
yeah, because
we
maybe
must change the landing page, I think, in order to
yeah,
see
yeah.
library here.
No, and maybe any library is not assigned to this employee. Otherwise, the library will be available to you. It will show
Oh,
you
okay.
everything. I'll show you. Don't worry. We will create and show. I'll show you. That will come to the landing page. I'll check once that is there. Come back. But it will be on the home page, the library.
Oh, okay,
You can
okay.
click on it, and it will show you what all data are available to you. Okay.
Yep.
One thing. Now, this is what we do in the learning activity. This is the normal one.